The Nokia C21 Plus is a mid-range budget phone that was first made available in Kenya in April of 2022. The device comes packaged in a light white cardboard box with its name and imagery printed on the front. The left side of the box has the name and series of the device. The right side of the box has manufacturing information on the device written in multiple languages. The back of the box has highlighted technical specifications that users will be interested in before unboxing the device. The bottom of the box has security tags that are useful in the event that the phone is stolen or lost. Inside the box, the device is covered in a plastic sleeve and placed on a cardboard partition that also has the SIM key attached to it. Under the partition is a second plastic sleeve which contains the safety guide and user manual and a clear protective case for the device. One of the safety guides is printed in Swahili, which is a nice localization touch from Nokia. The box also contains the device's 10-watt charging brick, a USB 2.0 charging cable, and Nokia's classic pair of headphones for the device. The Nokia C21 Plus has a glass front, a plastic frame, and a plastic back. The top edge has a 3.5mm port for the headphones. The left edge of the device has a dual nano SIM card tray. The bottom edge has the microphone and a USB 2.0 charging port. The right edge has the volume rocker and the power button. The back of the device has the minimalist dual camera bump, a fingerprint sensor, and the phone's loudspeaker. The Nokia C21 Plus is 6.49 inches in length, 2.99 inches in width, and is 0.34 inches thick. It weighs 191 grams. The screen is a 6.52-inch IPS LCD display. It has a resolution of 720 pixels by 1600 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. Its pixel per inch density is 269, and its screen-to-body ratio is approximately 82%. The phone comes pre-installed with the Android 11 Go Edition operating system. Its chipset is a Unisoc SC9863A. It has an octa-core CPU with all 8 cores running the Cortex-A55 processors. They are however split into 4 cores maxing at 1.6 GHz, while the remaining 4 run at 1.2 GHz maximum. The graphics card is an IMG 8322. The device has 64 GB of internal storage and 4 GB of RAM. The single selfie camera is 5 megapixels with an LED flash and can record video at 720 progressive scan. The rear camera has 2 lenses, one which is 13 megapixels wide-angled and the second one which is 2 megapixels depth lens. The pair of cameras have an LED flash for illumination and can record high-definition video up to 30 frames per second. Being a mid-range budget phone, the camera does not have great range, but great photography is still achievable with the device. Nokia C21 Plus is powered by a non-removable 5050 mAh battery. It's available in two colors, dark cayenne and warm grey. The device retails at 15,000 Kenyan shillings. Head over to www.hapakenya.com to read our full review of the Nokia C21 Plus.